Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. It's a great time to be alive and things are looking pretty good. So if you look at the Bitcoin chart right now, we're seeing that we are at $39,745. Booyah. So it looks like the pump is in. Absolutely, the pump is in. It's happening right in front of our eyes. So you guys should all be feeling pretty good, pretty rosy, pretty warm. So that is good news, guys. And it looks like we had the FOMC meeting that's completed. And you can see that right now the pre-markets are down a little bit slightly. No one knows if this is going to be going up or down, but so far so good. We saw that yesterday we had the broader markets went uppity up, and that was one of the things that also fueled the Bitcoin pump, guys, and this is cool beans. So we're going to talk about the DYX. We can see that the DYX is also down. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some TA. So right now, as you guys know, that the Jeremy Powell, the FOMC meeting is absolutely finished, and they only raised the basis points 0.5%. So I did tell you that that was already baked into the equation. That was already baked into the markets, and if we did see that it was 0.5%, then markets would go uppity up. So exactly as I predicted, the market did go up. So the Fed raises rates by 0.5% point, the biggest hike in 2 decades to fight inflation. So can you imagine, in 2 decades, this is the highest that we've seen the inflation, the rate hikes go up, and inflation is just really out of control out there. And that is why I believe, and you should believe, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just an OG in the house, expressing opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. That's why you need to believe that more and more people are going to be jumping into crypto. More and more people are going to be aping into crypto, because crypto is a huge hedge against inflation. So that is really cool beans. So some of the key takeaway from the FOMC 2 p.m. Press conference was the Federal Reserve increased its benchmark interest rate by 0.5% point in line with market expectations. So that is key, that because it was in line with market expectations, that is why the broader markets went up, and that's what put more confidence in the market. Now, if he'd come out and said it's 0.75 basis points, we'd have seen a huge tankety tank, and we'd have seen Bitcoin probably go down to $35,000 in the house. So overall, it's been a good day. You guys should all be feeling pretty good, and I believe that the next stop for Bitcoin is probably going to be around about $40,000. We did get a high of almost $40,000. We did get a high of $40,000 exactly, and then we got a bit of rejection, and right now we're trading at $39,743. So overall, it's a good day. A lot of goodness out there. You guys should be feeling pretty chipper, pretty bullish out there. So I'm feeling pretty good out there. So some other takeaways as well. The addition to the central bank outliner program, which will eventually reduce its bonds holding by $95 million. So the Fed's going to be selling off a lot of its bonds as well. And the rate move is the largest since 2000, guys. Since 2000. Can you imagine? So, and he did come out and say and reassures that he would not be increasing the basis points 0.75%. He said that's not in the cards, so that is pretty good. That also reassured a lot of the traders out there as well. So let's jump into the heat map and let's see what's going on overall with the crypto markets right now. So you can see right now that Ethereum in the house is up almost 5.47%. We're seeing the total market cap is up just over 5%. So that is really good. We're seeing Bitcoin is up 4.71%. We're seeing a lot of altcoins also did some pumpage. Going to take a look at the altcoins specifically, but we're seeing that there's been a lot of pumpage out there. We're seeing that ADA is up right now. One of the reasons that ADA is up is that its stablecoin has just been released on its testnet, so that is pretty good in the house, guys. So let's get it, guys. So right now the fear and greed index in the house is at 27, so that is pretty good. So there's a lot of confidence in the market, but remember, this is a contrarian indicator. Buy the fear, guys. This is still a good time to be buying the dips and dollar cost averaging, because we're seeing that a lot of whales are still accumulating the Bitcoin, still accumulating Ethereum, and a lot of the layer ones out there. The whales are absolutely accumulating the layer ones out there. So, and talking about whales, we're talking about billionaire Paul Tudor Jones. It's hard not to want to be long in crypto. And what he's talking about is, he had this interview and he said, look, young people right now, they're not investing in gold. They're investing in crypto and Web3. And we can see that a lot of young entrepreneurial, a lot of, the smart minds out there, they're thinking and knowing that Web 3.0 is going to be the next huge technological innovation. And that's going to, be a big paradigm shift from Web 2.0, and that's where we are right now. So that's why he thinks that, longing on crypto is the best thing to do, because that is huge beans in the house, guys. So it's hard to want to be long because of the intellectual capital. Just the sheer amount of intellectual capital that's going to this space is huge. So we're seeing a lot of the brightest and youngest people aping into crypto, aping into Web3. So this is very cool news, guys. So, you got to be long on crypto. Sure, there's going to be some short-term volatility between now and tomorrow. But, if we look at, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, we're going to be seeing things going up and up. So you can see this also from Coinbase coming in right now. And, Brian Armstrong from Coinbase, he's saying that, we could be seeing easily $100,000 Bitcoin coming in sooner than expected. He's saying that we could be seeing absolutely a $10,000 Ethereum coming in. So he's still pretty bullish, and he's also saying that we need to remain bullish and we need to be long on the cryptocurrency, guys. So that is cool news in the house. So you guys can see this coming in from DXY, and the DXY is dropping hard, guys, because of the interest rate hike that we just had. Often when we have increase in interest rates, often the dollar will crash. So often when we see the DXY, which is a basket of currencies compared to the US dollar, when that goes down, it often fuels a huge Bitcoin upside, a huge Bitcoin bull run, guys, for Bitcoin and altcoins. So we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin is going to continue going up, and we're going to start to see the altcoins start to actually go on an explosive tear. It's going to be fluffy. It's going to be foamy. We're going to the moon, guys. So get ready, guys. This is a good day, a good turnaround, and I'm loving it. You should be loving it. So Bitcoin is about to break out. It's looking very, very good out there. 1 hour to go till 4 handle close. So we'll see that Bitcoin is breaking out of this on the 4 hour, and you can see that right here that this breakout has been confirmed, and we're definitely going to be going up, because yesterday we were having a hard time getting above this $39,000 level, but we have definitely broken past that. We have smashed the $39,000 level, and we are going up, guys, and we're up over $738 from that $39,000 level. So, and also too, a lot more miners are getting into crypto right now. The miners are still buying machines, they're still taking loans against their Bitcoin. So there's no evidence out there that the miners are going to capitulate. And we can also see that the hash rate is so positive, and it just continues to go uppity up, guys. So that is cool news. So from TA Analysis, the 5th historical bull run starts right now, and you can see here that we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 5th bull run, the 5th wave to the upside is starting. And that what makes me feel that overall, that in June, July, when we hit the summer months, crypto is going to explode. Crypto is going to go crazy, and millionaires are going to be made overnight, guys. So you guys should be pretty happy, pretty bullish. Things are looking fantastical, and it's so fantastic to have a huge night and a huge day where we finally see a good pump, 5% pump overall for the crypto market. And you guys can also see that the amount of illiquid supply, compare the interaction between the illiquid supply during the bear market of 2018, the corrective wave of 2021, starting a vertical dash line. So what he's really saying here is that we can see that the illiquid supply of Bitcoin is going to go up, and when that happens, it means that there's less Bitcoin on exchanges to buy, and that means when you have less supply and more demand, the price is going to go up. So this is absolutely another bullish indicator that Bitcoin is going to be going to the moon, guys. And when Bitcoin goes to the moon, Dogecoin is going to go to the moon, and everything is just going to go crazy in the house, guys. So that is cool beats. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin is looking fantastic. We got 3 days and 22 hours to confirm a green weekly candle. So that is good, guys. That is positive. I'm so bullish. I'm so excited. It's it's really nice to wake up and look at your portfolio and see that something is actually uppity up, guys, because we've seen so many Debbie Downer days for such a long time. It's been really kind of depressing, and it's been pretty much sad out there. So I really think that this whole FOMC is going to be the big catalyst. The DXY tumbling, that is also going to be another catalyst, and more evidence that Bitcoin has been holding strong. In my horizontal support line right here between 38,000 and 42,000. So it's been holding strong. We have not capitulated. We have not broken down for that. So that is pretty bullish in the house. Let's take a look at the average leverage apes and let's see what's going on. Let me just give this a minty refresh, guys. The internet's been really kind of weird and wacky in Vietnam the past couple of days. It's like it's just weird, guys. So right now we're seeing that $176 million worth of leverage apes got wrecked out there, and that's about 55,000 traders. And we're seeing that right now on the 24 hours, the majority of the wreckage has been in Bitcoin, Ethereum, followed by the ApeCoin. People are still leverage trading ApeCoin, TRX, Luna, ZIL, GMT, Waves, Solana, and ADA, and ETC. And CRV, people also shorting the CRT. So let's take a look at what's going on. So mainly shorts on the 24 hours. We've mainly got shorts on the 12-hour time frame. We've got shorts on the 4-hour time frame. And we've also got shorts. So that is what is creating a huge short squeeze. And that is pushing the Bitcoin price uppity up. So that is good news, guys. Absolutely good news in the house. So right now, guys and gals, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin did break out of its descending triangle. So that is pretty good. That is what we've been talking about. That's what we've been waiting for. And this is a confirmation that we're above 1350 right now. So our next stop is going to be about 1450. And then if we can break past 1450, that's going to give a confirmation of us going to 16 cents in the house. And that's going to be coming sooner or later, guys. So we've broken out of this descending triangle. And this descending triangle has been going all the way since May, since the SNL days, guys. You can see it right here. It's been going all the way, way back in time, like the dinosaurs. So I'm so happy, I'm so bullish that we've finally broken out of this, and this is that confirmation that we've all been waiting for, all been wanting, all been loving and cherishing. Dogecoin to the moon. But I am a little bit disappointed with Elon Musk out there. Elon, if you're watching this, you guys, you did change your Twitter profile to a Bored Ape NFT icon, and I just thought that was in bad form and bad taste. Why are you not supporting the Dogecoin? Why did you not include, a picture of the Doge Warrior, the beloved Doge Warrior? I know you're trying to support us with Twitter. Remember that whole Elon Musk buying Twitter. It has not been confirmed yet. It's still in the deal. It's still in the process. Still in the works. They're trying to dot the T's and cross the I's. But I was a little bit disappointed with Elon Musk's Twitter of the NFT Bored Ape. So that kind of disappointed me, I must say, and I'm sure it disappointed a lot of the Dogecoin community out there. So good news, guys. We have broken up to the upside right now. So that is pretty good for the Shiba Inu. And right now we're at 2171. We did get rejected at the 22 level, but the 21 level is now going to become green, and that's going to act as support. So that is pretty good for the Shiba army. Woof, woof, in the house, guys. Woo, woo, let's get it, guys. So from that perspective, let's take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum is just going nuts. It's going gangbusters right now. It's at 29.47, and we're going to get a breakthrough our $3,000 resistance level. So that is pretty good. We're pretty close to that. And if we take a look at Solana as well, Solana is also looking pretty good in the house as well. And Solana is up almost about 6% right now. It's at 94.29, and we have our next resistance at $100. And I think we're definitely going to be breaking up to the upside from that perspective. And we're going to see a huge run for all crypto. We could be seeing a 20-30% huge breakout. It's happening right in front of our eyes. We're seeing Phantom right now has also gone up around about 6%, and that's at 86.88. So that is cool. Because let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So the market cap is at 1.84 trillion. That's up about 5%. We see the volumes are really huge at 67.63 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance has come down a little bit, very slightly. So let's take a look at the coinage in the house. So this is a good day, guys. It's absolutely a good day to be in crypto. We're seeing a huge pumpity pump. Bitcoin is up 4.52%. We're seeing Ethereum is up 5.27%. That's just slightly below 3,000. We're seeing that BNB is above $400, and that's at 476. Is a pump, yeah, babies. And we're seeing that Solana a whopping 9% pump, guys. Luna's up 5%. ADA a huge 14%, and it's a huge 14%. And we could be seeing a dollar coming in very soon. We're seeing right now that Avalanche is also up 12%. We're seeing Doge Warrior is up 4.57%. So that is good news in the house, and that is good, guys. And it's about in line with what Bitcoin is. So we're seeing a lot of good news. We're seeing Shiba Inu is up, Matic is up 8%, Tron is up 25%, CRO is up 6.4%. So overall, it's a huge day for crypto. Absolutely, this is what we wanted. This is what we needed. So guys and gals, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. Well, and gals, we got 4,381 followers. Let's get it, guys. Don't forget to go boop the likes, smash the likes, give super chats if you're watching, guys. And don't forget to check out all the links, guys. Get the link, get the links. And we got the Dogecoin Tip Jar social love over there. Buy the channel on coffee, become a Patreon member, and do check out the NFT collection, OpenSea.io/digitalasian. Get on over there, guys. And don't forget to check out the merch. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Are you shy, guys? Go check out the merch. merch. We got the backpackety backpack. We got Weak Nancy. We got face covers. We got all tons of stuff. We got even got t-shirts. Get the mug, get the backpackety pack. You want it, I want it. Let's get it, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Cryptocurrency on the move. DOIX is going down. You guys should be just over the moon. Let's get ready for this huge pump. It's happening right now in front of our eyes. This is the turnaround point. This is the point where we start to go up again, and hopefully $45,000 is coming in, 16-cent Dogecoin coming in, and by the end of the year, let's hope we can get $100,000 Bitcoin, $10,000 Ethereum. Let's get it, guys. The bull run is on. Woo! Let's see it, guys. Let's get it. God bless each and everyone. Be safe. Crypto's a jungle out there. Let's get it, guys. I love it. You love it. Woo-hoo!